Brian Taylor with Highway RV in Lake Alfred, Florida. Today I want to take you on a tour of this 2014 half-ton towable fifth wheel. It's a Keystone Sprinter Copper Canyon. It's in fantastic condition. I'm really excited to show you around it. Let's go ahead and start our tour on the inside. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start our tour here on the inside of this fifth wheel. I am not exaggerating when I say that I absolutely believe that this is probably the cleanest 5-year-old RV, not just fifth wheel, but RV in general, that I think I've had in the whole 8 years that we have been in business here in Lake Alfred. It looks practically brand new. It is phenomenal how well it's been taken care of. The owner only used it a handful of times over that time period, but it has been so well maintained. It looks and smells virtually brand new. So what I'm going to do on this tour is I'm going to show you around the motorhome and show you the floor plan, point out some of the features, and also let you know the condition it's in. If I see flaws, I'm going to point those out, but it's going to be very difficult on this. I absolutely know that if anyone likes this floor plan and this level of equipment, if you are coming from any distance to come view this, there's absolutely zero way you're going to be disappointed with it. It's that clean. So this is a 2004 Sprinter, a Keystone Sprinter fifth wheel Copper Canyon. It's the 252FWRLS. So FW is fifth wheel, RLS is rear lounge with a slide. This is a very popular floor plan. It's been around for a long time. It stays around because it's just a good floor plan. This one weighs only 7,299 pounds empty with a hitch weight of 1,320 pounds, which makes it very easy to be towed by half-ton pickup trucks. So this is a great alternative to a bumper tow. If you're interested in a bumper tow, but you want the inherent towable benefits of a fifth wheel, in other words, no sway and things like that, this could be a good way to go. Also, we can include the fifth wheel hitch with the sail. So at $18,995, which is where we're pricing this unit, it will come with a fifth wheel hitch. It's not a brand new one, but it's in good shape. This is 28 foot 11 inches long in outside dimensions, so not long at all. And you put 5 foot or so, 4 foot of that on top of the bed of the truck, and you have a very compact tow package. Going to be much easier to get into campsites than a similarly lengthed travel trailer. So this is a really great option. Back here in the rear is that rear lounge area. We've got a couple of chairs here, and they're in like a dark slate, almost black, but I would say they're a slate gray, or it's black with maybe a tinge of brown in it. Maybe it's got like a tweed pattern to it. We've got our pleated shades throughout. We got this big, huge window back here. That's one of the reasons the RLS floor plans are so popular, because when you're on a really pretty site, you open that up and you have the fantastic views out the back of the RV with these big windows. We've got cabinetry up above, another window over here, and this is our entry door right here. It's a rear entry floor plan. Over here we have our sofa. And this is a tri-fold sleeper sofa, so this is going to fold out and make sleeping for two. It's a very comfortable type of sleeping. All of this upholstery literally looks brand new. Zero flaws, zero wear and tear. It just looks like a brand new trailer. All of these same with these blinds, they all look perfect. The cabinetry up here is nice. It's got an art glass insert in it here. It's like a black glass with some lines on it. The cabinetry is really pretty in this coach. I'm not sure what type of wood that it is, but it's very similar, if you're familiar, to hardwood floors that have a hand scraped finish. It's sort of like what these cabinets have. They have a distressed edge to a lot of the areas where it's got a kind of a it almost is, it's just a rustic look. It's got a glaze over it, so the glaze clings into those distressed areas, and it gives it just a really nice rustic look, and it definitely a high-end look. It looks a lot higher end than your standard travel trailer or fifth wheel cabinetry. I love it. I think it's beautiful. We got a wall sconce over here. Over here is our booth dinette. This will of course make sleeping as well. You drop this down here, pull your cushions out, and you have basically a twin bed. The counter on here, the tabletop is in perfect condition, as are the blinds over here. And that's something to be said, because if you have these blinds down and you're having a spaghetti dinner, I always say it only takes one spaghetti dinner to ruin a blind. You're eating your food and it splashes onto the blind, and they can be hard to clean. But this blind is flawless. They're in perfect condition. This is our slide out back here. It houses that sofa and the dinette, so it makes a nice big living area here. Opposite that is our kitchen. We've got some nice cabinetry up here. You can access that door from over here as well. I did forget to point out that we've got what I call the brains of the coach over here. This is where you operate your slide outs, your power awning. It does have a power awning. You've got a light switches, your water heater, your water pump, things like that. Your level gauges are in here. Everything's working great. Over here we have a nice big single bowl sink. So this nice and large sink is really great for doing dishes. Plenty of room. I really don't see even any scratches or wear and tear in there. It looks virtually brand new. There's definitely never been any cutting on this sink cover, which doubles as a cutting board. We've got a pull-out faucet with a sprayer on it. Our countertops are high-definition laminate. High-definition laminate is more durable than standard laminate. You can tell by the finish whether it's high-definition laminate or not. It not only looks better and looks more realistic, it also is more abrasive resistant, and this is in just flawless condition, zero wear and tear. The stove has never been cooked on. Owner said they lit it to make sure that it worked, but they never cooked on it or in it. Looks brand new. Up above we have a vent hood, our microwave up above that, and we've got a little area for decorations up there. Coming over here we have a Dometic 2-door refrigerator. Perfect. Zero rust, zero odor, no mildew, no mold. You can tell by looking at all the racks in here, it's virtually had almost nothing in it. They just have been so well taken care of. We even still have the Made in USA sticker at the bottom, which those type of things usually come out or come off with very much usage. These are your controls. It works on propane or electric. You can adjust your coldness level here. We've got a storage up above that, be great for bread, things like that. Over here's our pantry. It's nice, big, deep pantry space. The coach is coming with an extra 30 amp extension cord that's never been used. Over here we have our 32-inch television, and we have a stereo system right now, and I believe the stereo system does have a DVD player in it. I do need to verify that and make sure on that, so I'm not going to commit to that right now. I apologize, but we do these videos on the fly, non-scripted, and I'm not 100% sure this has a DVD player in it, but we can certainly answer that question for you. It'd be very easy to add one if it doesn't. We got storage down below. Maybe the remote control will tell me. Yeah, I can't tell. It looks like it does. It's got a slow motion button, so I'm pretty sure that's got a DVD player built in it. Up here's more storage up above. So we got plenty of storage in here. Also beneath the booth dinette, we have storage under here. Sometimes trailers won't have that storage down there, and that's a great place to put bigger items. What I like to do is take the bedding that you use for this. I like to use an air mattress on top of these cushions. You make the bed up, then you use a power deflate type air mattress, roll it up, stick it in there, and then all you have to do when you make the bed at night is lay it out, push the power inflate button, and you're in business in under a couple of minutes. Coming up the steps, we come up into the bathroom and master bedroom area. We have a toilet room on this side with a power, with an electric fan right here, a coat hook right here, some lights. Other than that, it's just a toilet in here. It is a porcelain toilet, not a plastic toilet, so it's going to be easier to take care of. And it does have a foot flush design on it. Everything in there literally looks brand new. I mean, I feel like I'm a broken record, but there's no wear and tear. The vinyl in the coach is a wood look vinyl, really pretty, blends good with the cabinetry. And here's something that I want to point out in the shower that really tells us how lightly this coach has been used. If we come in here, you'll see we've got these stickers down here that, and over here we have a sticker. This is stuff right here. There's a little sticker that's a 6 sticker. What this does is this indicates the order in which these were assembled, and sometimes the factory won't pull these stickers off. They're just a paper sticker. That's not waterproof or anything. The only way that holds up for 5 years is that it did not get used very much. So all of these stickers are still on here. They did use the shower some, but they only used the trailer a handful of times. There's no wear and tear on the pan. All the surround is beautiful. We've got our faucet or shower head sprayer there. Up here is a Skylight. There's no evidence of any leaking around it whatsoever. The whole coach in general has no evidence of leaking. Over here's our vanity. We have this bronze colored faucet with a nice sink. We've got storage down beneath, and we've got a mirrored medicine cabinet right here. Over here's our queen bed. It's a north-south bed. This is a mid-profile trailer, so it's a little bit lower in the front than a high-profile trailer. That's part of what makes it half-ton towable. Because you've got a lower wind resistance, you're going to be able to tow this with a smaller pickup truck, not as much of a need for a big diesel engine and all that to cut through the wind. So we have storage on either side of the bed, as well as storage up above. The factory bedspread's in beautiful condition. It is we've got a mattress here is in perfect condition, and we've got a little bank of drawers over here. We've got a cabinet down below and a bank of 3 drawers. This is where you would set your television set right here for the bedroom, and you've got your hookups up above. You've got a privacy curtain. It's like a pleated accordion curtain that pulls around this area for privacy. I can kind of show you how that works really quickly. That just pulls around like that for privacy. So that's the inside of the trailer. It's in fantastic condition. All the carpet looks virtually new. Let's go ahead and walk around the outside. Okay, we're going to continue our tour here on the outside, and we are on the driver's side forward area of the trailer. Over here we have a storage bay. You can see it comes with a black tank, portable black tank, new sewer hose basically, a sewer hose support right here. There's some goodies that come with the trailer in there. Got slam latches on the door. All of these graphics look brand new. This was a northern coach, however, it did not get pulled through salt or anything like that, so there's no rust under it or anything. There's not any of the negatives of being a northern coach, but the positive is it wasn't exposed to the sunlight and the brutal amounts of rain and heat that we have here in the south. So the graphics look, again, new. They are super glossy with no fading, no edge curling or anything like that. We have one 30-pound LP cylinder here and another one on the other side. Coming around to the front, you can see we've got our molded front cap. Very important on a trailer. I think molded front caps are the way to go. You do not want a laminated vacuum bond style front cap. They tend to be issues with delamination and stuff like that. Here's our kingpin. We've got another area to access that storage bay up here. This actually has a lid that lifts up so you can put some shallow items under here, and this is your battery right here. We have a battery cutoff, and everything is in just beautiful condition in there. Close that down. We have a spare tire right here. And then coming around here is our second 30-pound LP cylinder, and the other side of that storage bay. We also have room here. It's got a hanger for a table. So it's got like what looks to be about a 5 foot, maybe 6 foot long patio table. We've got a gas strut on this door for holding it up, 2 of them in fact, so you don't have to latch them on the outside. Here's our power awning, beautiful condition. I don't have it out right now, it's pretty windy. But we've got a power awning, our water heater, the back side of our refrigerator. Our tires are in beautiful shape. We've got aluminum rims, mag wheels. They don't show any corrosion or any wear and tear, no bits of rust on the center caps or anything like that. Here's an external TV mount and an electrical outlet and cable outlet for watching television. Here's our entry steps, our entry door with the extended grab handle that folds up when you're not using it. And then on the back, we have our aluminum ladder for access to the roof. All the side walls, beautiful condition, no delamination, no wear and tear of the graphics. All of the colored fiberglass, the white fiberglass, super glossy. No oxidation. It's just an unbelievable condition for 5 years. You would never see this condition on a Florida coach unless it was, climate controlled on indoor storage. To kind of recap really quickly, it's a 2014 Keystone Sprinter Copper Canyon, the 252FWRLS floor plan, which is about 7,300 pounds empty and about 28 foot 11 inches long. Let's round that up and call it 29 foot long. So I said 28 foot 11 inches, that's what I meant to say. So 29 foot long. Fantastic shape, priced under $20,000. There's just not a downside on this. It is a great opportunity to get into the camping game with something that's like brand new for a fraction of the price. If you'd like more information on it, give us a call at Highway RV. Our number is 863-956-1036. My name's Brian. You can ask for me. I'd be glad to help you. You can also email us at info@highwayrv.com. You can connect with us on Facebook as well, on our Highway RV Facebook page. And if you like this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time we have a new video filmed. We like to do walkthrough videos on all of our used and new inventory. It's a great way of keeping up on our new items. If we have wear and tear on the used items, we're going to show you the good, the bad, the ugly, so that you're able to do real shopping in the comfort of your home. Trailers like this make it so easy because it's just an easy one to rep. You're 100% sure that people are going to love it when they see it. It's just so nice. So anyway, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. I hope it's been helpful to you in making a decision as to whether or not this might be the right towable for you. You have a great day, and God bless.